kill one. They're coming from here.
Our attack's working.
Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Are you guys good up there? I'm gonna get you. Hold on.
I think B got me.
We need to run.
I don't know, the tank stuff.
I'm dead. I'm close to you. Sir.
Oh! Oh! Coming up to you. He's by the stairs. Shoots you.
Got him.
Nice. God damn it! Can't get this fucking tank.
They're on A, they're on A. I tried to hold it.
Oh, fuck. I hope whoever's over my shoulder has me.
I do.
Make a move. Make a move.
All forces are hitting Alpha.
Res me, I know you're next to me, B. Brennan? No!
Wrong one.
B!
Oh, what? You got it?
There's two of them. They're playing whack-a-mole.
Got him.
No, it's not fun with anybody, not just you. Yeah, I got a little box.
There's a guy behind you. He's him by himself or in another squad.
Move to attack the mark.
Alright.
Bro.
I removed him from the squad.
Oh, there's a guy.
Our troops are attacking Bravo.
Almost jumped off.
All right. Objective Charlie secured.
But like when it swirls and
Sniper up top.
Support is needed.
Oh shit!
Kind of
Right behind us.
Yeah, there it is.
There's one guy.
We can secure the advantage. Keep going.
Oh, surely one of these. There's a guy on my body.
Oh, yeah, I was gonna get on your body.
Got one.
I think. That guy's
Really?
already.
Ah, didn't get the second. Alright, we're going back to B, guys. Oh, I'm gonna spawn on Peter actually. You need help with A?
Yeah, it's on Peter for action.
Objective Bravo has been secured.
Oh,
Trapped in the corner.
I'm out of ammo.
Here, Peter.
Oh,
I got
shit.
you.
Right there, they're all coming. There's 4 of them looking at us. 5 grenades.
We're fucked.
Oh, good luck, Peter. There's like 6
Like
of
Nazi
them.
zombies in this bitch. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah.